Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to bookmark the page in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so let's get started. So let's try to open the Mozilla Firefox. So here you can see that I have already opened the Google page like google.com. Okay, so not only google.com, like if you open any other website, if you want to bookmark that particular page or the website, means for that what you can do is like here you can see the star symbol or the icon next to the google.com. So just click on that particular star that will show like bookmark this page. Okay, just click on that. So once you click on that, here you can see add bookmark. Okay, and here it will ask like where you want that particular bookmark to be saved. Okay, so here you can see the drop down options. So here you can see bookmark toolbar, bookmarks menu, other bookmarks. Okay, so what I will do is like I will just choose bookmarks menu, because if you save it in a bookmarks menu, you will have a separate tab where you can see all the bookmarks here. Okay, so here you can see the google.com has already been in the um, bookmarks tab. Okay, suppose if you want to remove the bookmark, means you can just click on that star again, and here you can select remove bookmark. Okay, so this is how you can add the bookmark, and here also you can remove the bookmark. Okay, so let's try to remove this bookmark. Okay, so now the bookmark has been removed. So here you can see the Google has been removed from this particular bookmark. Like google.com was saved as a bookmark, now it has been removed. And suppose if you want it, if you want to add it again, means just click on this star option and select the drop down and you can choose, and here you can select bookmarks menu, and finally you can save it. Once you save it, it will be in the bookmarks tab, and here it will be saved. Okay, so this is how you can add and remove the this is how you can add or remove the bookmark, just bookmark page in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.